pot. You got the terracotta pot with the hole in the bottom, right?
Yep, 6-inch pot, 1 hole at the bottom.
Right. Fill the pot almost to the top. Leave about 1 inch.
Done.
Sprinkle a few seeds.
A few?
Yeah, just in case. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of dirt, about 1/4 of an inch. Next, water your new plant.
How much water?
Just enough to make the soil down, not soaked. You may even want to put a thin plate under there.
That's it, right?
No, baby, you have to put it somewhere to get enough light.
Oh, yeah.